Some days, you might wish your kitchen tools were a bit faster. The time spent cleaning, peeling, or measuring can really waste a lot of time. So to help save time in the kitchen, we did some research, and here we are sharing the best gadgets on Amazon that make cooking faster and easier. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Electric Dough Maker. With its spacious 6.6 quart stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for preparing dough for bread, pizza, buns, and dumplings, making it ideal for large families or avid bakers. Powered by a 250-watt motor, it can knead dough in just 15 minutes and complete both kneading and proofing in 45 minutes, saving you time and effort. The advanced microcomputer control allows precise program selection and simulates manual kneading techniques for perfectly chewy dough. It's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe components and a removable top cover so you can add ingredients while it's working. Number 29. Garlic Press. Now effortlessly crush garlic with this sleek, durable rocker press made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. Its ergonomic arc-shaped design with a non-slip rubber handle provides comfort while pressing multiple cloves in seconds. With a 4.3-inch length and 3-inch width, it's perfect for uniform minced garlic every time. Cleanup is quick. Just rinse under water or toss it in the dishwasher and it'll be spotless, ready for your next recipe. Number 28. Digital Thermometer for meat. Enjoy a more stable connection than Bluetooth with advanced RF technology, allowing you to monitor your barbecue from up to 1,000 feet away without losing signal. This wireless meat thermometer requires no apps or complex setup. Just start cooking right out of the box. With 4 color-coded probes for easy tracking, preset temps, smart alerts, and a large backlit display, grilling has never been simpler. Perfect for barbecue lovers, it's an ideal gift and NSF certified for food safety. Number 27. Magnetic Spice Jars. Tired of messy spice jars? These magnetic grips are the perfect solution. They fit jars from 1.7 inches to 2 inches in diameter and let you organize spices, supplements, and sauces however you like, horizontally, vertically, or on metal surfaces. You can even use the included adhesive-backed discs for extra versatility. Great for tight spaces or RV kitchens, these grips use strong magnets and flexible silicone to securely hold all kinds of containers, even hot sauce bottles upside down. Number 26. Cordless Hand Mixer. With 7 adjustable speeds and a digital display, you can easily customize the texture of any recipe, from salad mixes to whipped cream. It includes 6 stainless steel attachments, beaters, whisks, and dough hooks to handle any heavy mixing task. The one-click eject button and standalone base make cleanup and storage a breeze, keeping everything organized and ready for your next recipe. Number 25. Refrigerator Deodorizer. Say goodbye to fridge odors with this powerful deodorizer, designed to keep your refrigerator smelling fresh and clean. Using activated charcoal or baking soda, it absorbs odors for long-lasting freshness. Not limited to just fridges, it works in freezers, closets, cars, gym bags, and more. Perfect for any space with lingering smells. Easy to use, simply place it in your fridge and replace as needed. A must-have for maintaining a hygienic, odor-free home. Number 24. Meat Shredder Claws. Shred like a pro with these ultra-durable meat claws, designed for grill masters who take their barbecue seriously. With ultra-sharp tines, these claws handle everything from lifting and holding to shredding meat in half the time of traditional forks. So if you're tackling a smoking hot roast or tossing a salad, these claws do it all. Dishwasher safe and heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, they're built to last and handle even the toughest shredding tasks. Get yours today and unleash your inner grillaholic. Number 23. Egg Separator. Add a fun twist to your kitchen with this novelty egg separator featuring a cute hand-painted cartoon chick. Simply crack the egg into the separator and watch the egg white flow out from the chick's mouth, leaving the yolk behind. Made of high-quality ceramic, it's smoother, healthier, and safer than plastic separators. Easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, and microwave safe too. Number 22. Gadgets. Set 6 pieces. This 6-piece kitchen set includes a cheese grater, ginger grinder, pizza cutter wheel, bottle opener, vegetable and fruit peeler, and herb stripper. Designed with a stackable, space-saving feature, these tools can be organized together, making storage easy and worry-free. Crafted from high-quality 430 stainless steel blades and lightweight ABS plastic for comfort, they are dishwasher safe for quick cleaning. Number 21, Vegetable Spiralizer. This vegetable spiralizer is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting use in any kitchen. Its stable design features industrial-strength suction cups to keep it secure on any surface while you spiralize. With 5 precision blades, you can easily switch between zucchini noodles, spiralized potatoes, or ribbon-cut veggies. Simple to use and clean, this compact, versatile tool makes healthy meal prep quick and easy, offering flexibility for noodles, salads, and fries. Number 20, Immersion Hand Blender. Looking for a blender that can handle it all? With a 1000-watt motor and titanium blades, this immersion blender delivers powerful performance, effortlessly chopping, mashing, and blending even the toughest ingredients. Whether it's making smooth soups, creamy milkshakes, or healthy smoothies, its 12-speed settings and turbo boost ensure quick, efficient, and mess-free results every time. Number 19, Jar Spatula. Spread the love with Splatipus, the friendly jar spatula that makes spreading peanut butter and jam a fun experience. Crafted by the award-winning Ototo Studio, this quirky silicone spatula effortlessly reaches every corner of your jar, ensuring no jam goes to waste. Made with 100% BPA-free food-grade material, it's dishwasher-safe and perfect for gifting. Number 18, Salt and Pepper Grinder. This pepper grinder features a USB-C charging dock, allowing you to charge both grinders simultaneously with a fast 3-hour charge that lasts up to 6 months of grinding. With an XL 110 milliliter capacity, it holds 40% more pepper, and the top refill design makes adding spices quick and mess-free. Choose from 5 grind settings for precise control, from fine dust to coarse crumbs, and enjoy fresh spices every time. The built-in LED light helps you see exactly how much pepper you're grinding. Number 17, Pizza Boss 3000. Take pizza night to the next level with the Pizza Boss 3000, a cutter designed to make you feel like a pro. Shaped like a circular saw, it slices through pepperoni, cheese, and even anchovies with ease. Made from tough engineering-grade plastics and a laser-etched stainless steel blade, this tool is built to last. Plus, the removable shield makes cleaning a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your pizza. Number 16, Cleaver Chef Knife. This versatile kitchen knife combines the best features of a Chinese chef's knife, santoku and nakira, making it the ultimate all-in-one tool for any kitchen task. Equipped with a 3-hole herb stripper, it effortlessly removes leaves from stems, speeding up meal prep. The gear teeth cleaver design and absorbent wood handle ensure a stable, non-slip grip, while the high-carbon German steel blade stays razor-sharp and resistant to stains, ensuring precision and durability. Number 15, Dog Dish Brush. Meet your new dishwashing buddy, Oscar. This adorable puppy-shaped scrub brush brings fun to your cleaning routine with its sturdy bristles and easy grip handle. Perfect for tackling tough stains on dishes, pots, and even vegetables. Oscar is built for durability and comfort. The brush dries quickly and stays fresh for next time. No odors here. Whether as a gift for dog lovers or a quirky kitchen accessory, Oscar adds personality and practicality to any home. Number 14, Wine Preservation System. This 14-piece wine kit includes everything you need for perfect wine preservation and enjoyment. A timeless 6 wine preserver, 3 argon gas capsules, 6 screw cap replacements, a wine aerator, needle clearing tool, wine bottle sleeve, and carrying case. With the Correspond system, pour wine effortlessly without removing the cork, keeping the rest of the bottle fresh for months or even years. Aerate your wine in seconds and enjoy easy, precise pouring with the ergonomic handle and angled spout. Number 13, Metal Herb Grinder. Made in California, this grinder features a special tooth pattern that gives a smooth and even grind every time. It's made from strong anodized aluminum that's cleaned using ultrasonic technology for extra durability. The textured grip makes it easy to hold and control, giving you a better feel when using it. The 2-piece design focuses on pure grinding, with no extra storage or collection chamber, keeping things simple and efficient. Number 12, Multifunction Opener. It is a multifunction jar and bottle opener shaped like a fun parrot. This all-in-one tool easily handles beer bottles, water caps, soda cans, pull tabs, jars, and more, making it perfect for camping, BBQs, or everyday use. With a durable stainless steel plate, ergonomic grip, and compact magnetic design, it's both practical practical and stylish. Number 11. Bread scoring tool. Take your bread making to the next level with this beautifully designed bread knife. Perfect for those who appreciate both style and precision. The ergonomically shaped handle offers a comfortable grip, while the dial on the head lets you control cuts for clean, precise scoring. Made from high-quality black walnut and stainless steel, it comes with a magnetic blade guard for safe storage. Each knife is handcrafted by skilled artisans, making every piece unique with its own subtle, charming details. Number 10. Trivae Lid Holder. This patented 4-in-1 kitchen gadget is a versatile must-have, serving as a lid stand for all sizes, a trivet and pan holder for serving, and a display stand for cakes, pizzas, and appetizers. Its durable cast metal frame supports up to 10 pounds, perfect for hot lids from heavy cookware. Compact and adjustable, it folds flat for storage and expands for large dishes or baked goods. With heat-resistant silicone up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps lids upright to catch drips and adds sleek, modern style to any kitchen. Number 9. Safe mandoline slicer. Make meal prep fast and easy with this upgraded mandoline vegetable slicer. With a larger feeding port and container chopper, it handles more food at once and safely juliennes, slices, and dices in seconds. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, eggs, and more. It's 10 times faster than chopping by hand. Equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, a stable non-slip base, and ergonomic design, it's easy to use, clean, and store, making it an essential multifunctional kitchen tool. Number 8. Meat Injector Syringe. This meat injector is made from stainless steel and food-safe silicone, offering durability and safety for your cooking. The heavy-duty needles are designed to pierce tough meats, while the silicone brush can withstand high heat. It's useful for adding flavors to turkey, beef, pork, chicken, or even desserts, helping keep meats juicy and tender. With a 2-ounce barrel, ergonomic plunger, and 4 interchangeable needles, it's easy to use and clean. Number 7. Precision Knife Sharpener. Achieve precision sharpening with this angle-guided knife sharpener, featuring a 3-sided abrasive jig and clamp for faster, easier, and more accurate results. The adjustable sharpening angle ranges from 15 degrees to 30 degrees in 1-degree increments, perfect for reprofiling old blades or creating a polished edge on your favorite knives, including serrated ones. With a tri-abrasive rod, coarse and fine diamond plus fine ceramic, and a secure V-block clamp, you can customize your sharpen safely and consistently. Number 6. Microwave Splatter Cover. Keep your microwave spotless with this vented splatter cover designed to release steam evenly while reheating meals. Measuring 10.5 inches square and 3 inches high, it fits most plates and bowls under 10 inches. Collapsible to 0.75 inches, it's easy to store and doubles as a colander for rinsing fruits and veggies. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, this multi-purpose cover ensures safe, durable, and convenient kitchen use. Number 5. Slice Slim Toaster. This 2-slice slim toaster fits comfortably on any countertop with its 3.58-inch profile. Its extra-wide 10-inch slot handles 2 slices side by side, or thick breads like bagels and baguettes. 6-shade settings and a cancel function let you achieve perfect toast every time. With a removable crumb tray, cord wrap, and high-lift lever, cleanup is easy, and smaller slices are accessible without burning your fingers. Number 4. OLIVIA Oil Sprayer. Now you can control your oil use with this precise olive oil sprayer, featuring an advanced fan spray nozzle that delivers an ultra-fine mist. One full stroke spray is just 1 gram of oil. Built-in filters prevent clogging, and the anti-drip leak-proof design with a secure buckle makes it perfect for kitchen or outdoor use. Made from durable glass, it works with oils, sauces, and more. Ergonomic and easy to refill, this 200 milliliter sprayer simplifies cooking, seasoning, and healthy meal prep. Number 3. Mini Bag Sealer. Keep snacks fresh and mess-free with this 2-in-1 mini bag sealer and cutter. One side easily opens bags, while the other seals them airtight. Perfect for chips, cookies, sugar, and more. No preheating is needed. Just press, clamp, and slide for a perfect seal. Compact and portable, it features a magnetic strip for fridge storage and a lanyard for hanging, making it ideal for everyday use, travel, camping, or hiking. Number 2. Orange Juice Squeezer. Extract every drop of juice effortlessly with this manual citrus squeezer, leaving seeds behind. Its 5-inch bowl handles lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruit, apples, pineapples, pomegranates, and more. The comfortable grip and leverage mechanism make juicing quick and easy, perfect for lemonade, cocktails, or guacamole. Made from durable cast iron with a rubberized base for stability, it's safe, food grade, and dishwasher friendly. Reliable and long lasting, this juicer ensures fresh juice with minimal effort. Number 1. Stuffed Burger Press. Elevate your burger game with this stuffed burger press, making it easy to fill patties with cheese, bacon, onions, jalapenos, and more. Simple to use, the whole family can join in. Just press, stuff, and seal for perfectly uniform patties that cook evenly every time. Made from easy to clean, BPA-free materials, it slides effortlessly and is dishwasher safe. Create flavorful, mess-free burgers at home with fun and consistency in every bite. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our latest updates.